Have you ever felt like you are doing everything right, but something inside still feels off? You are working hard, you're ticking the boxes, you're even practicing self-care, but somehow your energy still feels fragmented, scattered, or just flat. That is usually not about motivation or discipline. It's about energy alignment. And today, I want to unpack what that really means, why it matters more than most people realise, and how you start aligning your energy system so that life feels flowing again, not forced. Because when your energy is aligned, everything starts synchronizing. Your health, your focus, your relationship, even your intuition. You stop fighting against yourself and start working with your natural rhythm. What is energy alignment? Think of energy alignment as the harmony between your inner and outer worlds. It is when your thoughts, emotion and physical action are resonating on the same frequency. When you are aligned, you feel clear, calm and powerful. But when you are misaligned, you feel resistance. You might wake up tired, overthink everything, or feel emotionally reactive without knowing why. Every thought you have carries a vibration. Every emotion, joy, anger, fear, gratitude, shifts your frequency. And every habit you keep either raises or drains your energy field. So energy alignment is not just one-time thing. It is a daily practice of tuning your internal frequency to match the life you want to create. Signs you are out of alignment. Let's start with the signs, because awareness is the first step. Here are a few clear indicators that your energy might be misaligned. Number 1, you feel constantly drained, even after resting. Number 2, your mind feels noisy, too many tabs open. Number 3, you overthink simple decisions. Number 4, you create chaos, tech glitches, delay, people who mirror your frustration. Number 5, your body sends signal, tension in the neck, tight chest, gut issue or fatigue. All of these are feedback, not punishment. Your body and energy field are simply communicating. Something's not resonating with your truth. And the beauty of that awareness is you can shift it. Understanding the energy field. Your body isn't just physical, it is electromagnetic. Every cell emits frequency. Your heart alone generates a field, measurable, several feet outside of your body. When you are grounded and clear, that field expands. It becomes coherent, powerful, magnetic. But when you are stressed or disconnected, it contracts. Your energy collapses inwards. So what happens? You lose intuitive clarity. You start forcing outcome instead of flowing with them. You become reactive to your environment instead of being the calm centre within it. The key to energy alignment is to restore coherence, the harmony between the mind, heart and the body. When those three systems are aligned, your energy field stabilizes. You become a magnet again, attracting wonderful opportunity, success and ease. How to recalibrate your energy. Here's the good part, how to realign. These are the 5 pillars of energetic recalibration that I teach in my programs and practice daily myself. Number 1. Stillness before strategy. Start your morning with silence, before emails, before your phone. Breathe deeply. Place your hand on your heart and ask, what do I need to feel aligned today? Let the answer rise naturally. Number 2. Grounding through the body. Energy alignment starts below the neck. Move your body. Yoga, walking barefoot on grass, or breathwork. Your body is your tuning fork. Use it to anchor your frequency. Number 3. Emotional clearing. Unexpressed emotion is stored energy. Journal it out. Cry, laugh, scream in the pillow if you need to. The goal is not to be positive, but to be authentic. Authentic energy is pure energy. Number 4. The energetic nourishment. Fuel your body with high frequency food, greens, hydration, sunlight and natural movement. What you eat literally becomes your vibration. Number 5. Intentional focus. Energy flows where tension goes. So protect your focus like sacred currency. No multitasking, no toxic conversation, no doom scrolling. Create before you consume. Do these consistently and your frequency stabilizes. You begin to feel lighter, more intuitive and surprisingly productive without the push. The science of energy alignment. For anyone wondering, yes, this has scientific grounding too. HeartMath studies show that your heart rhythm patterns directly influence your emotional states, brain coherence, and decision-making abilities. When you breathe slowly and generate the feeling of gratitude or compassion, your heart electrical field synchronizes with your brain waves. That is coherence. The scientific version of energetic alignment. You are literally rewiring your nervous system to operate from harmony instead of stress. This is why alignment isn't woohoo. It is the future of performance. So here's the takeaway. You don't need more hustle. You need more harmony. True power doesn't come from doing more. It's come from being aligned. When your energy, action and purpose are congruent, success flows naturally. You start attracting the right people, opportunities and ideas because your frequency is clear. And that is what I want for you. A life that doesn't look just successful, but feel energetic, aligned and alive. If this message resonates with you, subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments. What is one area of your life that feels out of alignment right now? Because awareness is the first step to transformation. If this video spoke to you, hit subscribe and join me here on Unparalleled Lifestyle, where we talk about energy, clarity and the path to aligned success. Protect your energy, honour your alignment, and I'll see you in the next video. Many blessings, wherever you are in the world.